What is the most valuable material or possession that you have and why?
My most valuable material or possession would be my notebook and ballpen, because I use this tool to note things, especially on the things that we learn in the school, more on navigation and seamanship.
Who is the most valuable person in your life and why?
My most valuable person in my life would be my older brother, because he would always support me and always cheer me on when I feel pressure or stress on my school.
The most valuable material or possession that you have and why?
Ballpen. Kung wala kay ballpen, dili ta makasulat, kaya gamit lagi ballpen sa akong pinag-usapan para kung sa ipasulat sa tulis lang kung sulat sa
And second question, who is the most valuable person in your life and why?
Most valuable person, mama. Okay. Diyan mo makita tanan na mama radyo dapat katago pagmahal sa pagsasabi.
What did you learn from the answer of the people you interviewed?
I learned that people value things that hold sentimental meaning, those that carry memories and connections with their loved ones.
Who do you their answer relate to the idea of the material self?
This is connected to the material self because the things people treasure become part of who you are and how they define themselves. These possessions reflect their identity and what matters most to them.
What does this tell you about what people value most in life?
It shows that people value love, family, and memories more than the material